Andrew with Basement Systems New York. We're in Barryville, New York. We're working on this structure over here. We were called out for main girder replacement. They're fully renovating the whole camp area, and this building needs to be structurally secure underneath. So this project came to be through a bidding process. A bunch of different contractors, approached the project manager. We were all out here. I met with them late December. Bidding went through several months. At the end of that bidding process, they chose to work with us for several reasons. After examining the area, crawling underneath there for about an hour and a half, it was plain to see that there are some tremendous supports underneath there, and then some supports that were just lumber sitting in wood that over time had been, compressed. A lot of the girders had been split and moved just from wear and tear. So our objective now is we're underneath there. We're going to be starting with supplementally supporting the structure to make it safe to remove those beams. As we're doing that, we're going to be digging the holes for the sonotubes, which will be 6 feet total length with rebar reinforcement. And then we're going to replace the girders underneath there, seated on top of the new sonotubes. This is all up to an engineered spec plan that we are working towards.